Just lie down on mats. Yes. More. 2. Just do this 11 times. And 11 times. Do it 25 times. And now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Try to straighten your leg. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 30. And now we do another side. Here. You can, if you don't feel what the phone already, you can put the hand over the head and do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can open the arm if you want. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 15, 16, 17, 18, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. Or if you feel so boring, you can grab the phone and look. Try to hunting your back like this and try to put the phone in the eye level and still stay. And 30. From here, we do one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can head down. For me, I boring to see phone already. I start hand over the head like this and close your eyes. Or you can hand put in the tummy. Yeah, do it 30 times. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Now from here, you can do one more time. In turn, push your body. Lean down. Try. You can forearm. You can push the forearm in front, or you can lean down like this, or you can put like this and watch the phone if you want. And we do it. Heel to the bus. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and straighten over the body. Yes, is this all the simple pose enough for you to have a beautiful body? But try to do every day with me. Now go to child pose. Slowly sit back on the dining floor. Thank you for enjoying lazy yoga, and even how lazy you are, try to do it every day, or if can before the bedtime. You see that a few minutes makes so much change, and your hair also. Thank you.